Hi boys, hope you're having a good day. Time for another book? This one is I Am A Backhoe, and it's about a little boy pretending to be various kinds of working trucks, and you get to guess what he's pretending to be. So it's called I'm A Backhoe by Anna Grossnickle Hines. Okay, can you see? I dig my hand into the sand, my scooper hand. Dig, 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 lift, turn, tip. I am a, what is he? Backhoe. He's pretending he's a backhoe while he's playing in the yard in the sand. Down on my knees, I make my hands into a blade. Scrape, push, plow. I make a pile. I am a, what do you think he is? Bulldozer. He's pretending he's the bulldozer. I stretch my arms into the sky, way up high, bend, hook, lift, swoosh, swing, drop. I am a crane truck. He's doing the same thing using his bear. I need a big load. Fill me up. Now I back up. Beep, beep, beep. Tilt and dump. I am a, can you guess? Dump truck. He's dumping out all his toys on his back. Over and over I roll along, smash the ground, press it down, nice and smooth. I am a roller. They put down streets, they roll it to make it hard. Daddy puts me on his back, his nice flat back. Hold on tight, away we go. Daddy is a flatbed truck. He backs me into the big garage. Beep, beep, I find my book. Daddy reads, dig, 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 scrape, push, plow, bend, hook, lift, tilt and dump, roll, roll, roll. I like trucks. And so does Daddy. You like trucks too, don't you? Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.